right, baby.
Yeah.
Let's do the hit.
Anybody can have that money. I don't want it. I thought you wanted.
NA Mustang left lane.
They don't ever have anything to run us with.
Twin turbo. Right. How's it going, buddy?
Another day in paradise.
He's getting left lane.
Is it hit? I mean, it was dumb. Bro, it's stupid. Look, we're racing. I ain't trying to go this way with it. I didn't mean that even go where I'm saying it's dumb to. I hate races that aren't heads up. That's all I'm saying. No. I'm doing it because that's the Showdown. I'm doing it to have a race. Like it's crazy. But they can't race with heads up. So it is what it is. They don't ever have anything to run us with.
So he's getting the hit and the car? He's getting the hit and the car. The gray Mustang. NA Mustang versus twin turbo Mustang. Yep. What y'all got, chat? Y'all think the orange car is going to get him? Can the orange car track him down, chat? So the left lane's got the back tire. And the orange Mustang's going to have to catch him. I have no idea how much it's worth. Here we go, chat. Oh, he went around him. Wait, he did.
We watched him move. I have the video on my phone.
I ain't trying to say that ain't the case, but go to the video. I came to a restop. As I said, y'all want to take it. I get it. I got to do what I do. It's the only way y'all ever win.
Just a big move to
That's the only way you ever win. It's like a bet.
back in for the break.
I understand, but the car got unloaded. I was going in the dude. Yeah. So every time the win is like that. We can redo it again. The win's always like that. You're the one that jumped. I slid. All you had to do was look. You got it. I slid. I ain't trying to say that. Why didn't you lower? I don't know what to put that. I'm on the same. I was just on. I slid. I lost. I slid. If y'all want to take it, take it. That's how y'all always get. We can redo it again. So what do you want to do? Call it even and then what? You want your money? Y'all always get lucky. Do you want your money? Do you want your money? Y'all want y'all money? Because I don't want to get your money. Y'all always get lucky. Y'all always get lucky. Where's the money? Where's the money? Look, just run for the money. Because you know I didn't leave. I agree on sliding with leaves. I didn't leave. I got less than that's why I'm.
But you had already moved like 3 foot and then got back in the brakes. That's what's okay. And that's the same shit you always say.
I ain't trying to be like that, but we can't have 50 people in here.
You always say that.
I ain't pulling nothing. No, I don't want the money.
I ain't gonna argue.
I don't want the money.
If I would have done that.
No, if you slid, I always go off of. I agree with Ray.
If I came out of the bull,
I agree with Ray.
you would have gone and been like, nope.
I don't want the money. I can't run it for it. Anybody can have that money. I don't want it. I don't want. I do what you want. Exactly. That's what I say. Let's run. Let's run it. Then run. Run it heads up there. Run for the money. 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 Hey. Because I didn't come here for that. I came here to race.
You came here to race.
And the race wasn't
actually fast.
I don't want my money. I want to race. And he threw it. That's dumb. What? No, it's all for media. stop him. Run it. They didn't want to run it. He's like, yeah, fuck at him. Even when I came to a stop, it wasn't even close. 3-4 cars. It wasn't even a chance. Who would hit this bit at the foot race away?
Foot race?
I'll run.
Foot race for $100? Come on, baby. Let's do it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh!
What the fuck?
Hey, it is the old one.
They don't ever have anything to run us with.
Look him up. Look at race on YouTube.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
All you gotta do is subscribe. Look out racing, baby. Always look out racing.
Look out, look out.